The holiday season is right around the corner, which means it's time to start shopping. But what do you get that special lady in your life? Well, I'm sharing the very best gifts for her in today's video. Before I do that though, I do want to say a huge thank you to Narwal for sponsoring today's video, but I'll tell you more about them and their amazing Black Friday deals a little bit later on, but let's get into it. So I'm making this gift guide so early because, as I said, Black Friday is right around the corner and that's the best time to pick up so many of these items. Let's start with gift number one. It is this shower oil. I am a huge fan of shower oils. They are smooth, they're buttery, they keep you moisturized, and you're able to do so in the shower. So you don't need to get out and moisturize. It's just a nice little added bonus for like the busy person in your life. I'm a mom now and I don't have time to moisturize, so this gets it done for me and it makes you smell oh so delicious. And if you love L'Occitane products but you don't quite know what the special someone in your life is going to like, well, they actually have this brand new advent calendar. I think this would make a great gift. It's around $89 for this entire set and there's so many awesome things in here. And they can open it up throughout the month, but the people in my family, this is for my sister-in-law. She's gonna open them all at the same time, and that's totally fair because I would do the same thing. But advent calendars are a really great gift because you get a little bit of everything. So if you don't know perfectly what that person likes, this is going to get it done. And as I said, today's video is gifts for her. So it could be your girlfriend, your wife, your sister, your mother, your daughter. I honestly just talked to all of the women in my life, which it's filled of many, and these are the gifts we wanted. So basically this is gifts Kiva would like and Babe would like, and I think really anyone in your life, even if they're a man, would like these too. Gift number three is actually the Beauty Sleep by The Laundress. So everyone is always looking for something to elevate their experience at home, or at least I am. And I love a good nighttime spray. This smells amazing. I've described this before as smelling like the sexiest man on the planet, but like relaxing. That is what this smells like. This one bottle is going to take you super far. It's going to really appeal to everyone, whether it's a man, a woman, doesn't really matter what like their scent preferences are. This is a great way to lull yourself to sleep. And really any of the Laundress products are going to be a really great option for a gift for anyone because they smell oh so good, but they're really clean, they're really healthy, and they actually get your clothes clean if you're buying detergent. Now you guys know I am a self-care girly. I love self-care. So anytime I can take a bath or do something to relax, that's what I'm going to do. So while I love that almond oil, I also love a good bath bomb. And I don't know if you knew this, but Amazon actually has like handmade products on Amazon. And these are some handmade bath bombs. So of course you can go to Lush and pick up your bath bombs and that's really, really lovely. But these are great. You get like this great little value pack here. I've ordered these before. This is my second time ordering them. They're all individually wrapped. They all smell different. And there's a card in here that will tell you like all of the different scents. But I think that this is really great. It makes bath time more fun, or at least it does for me. And I have super sensitive skin. These do not break out my skin. So if you're sensitive like I am, don't worry, you're gonna be set with these. Now, if you really wanna wow someone in your life this holiday season, you need to get them a Narwal, really any of them. I'm gonna tell you the ones that are on deal today, but I do wanna say a huge thank you to Narwal for sponsoring today's video. So Narwal is having a massive Black Friday sale, and I've talked about Narwal before because I have tried every robot vacuum on the planet, and I have something bad to say about absolutely all of them, except for the Narwal. I have the Narwal Frio Z Ultra. I love it. It has adaptive avoidance, so if your dog runs, if you drop something, it's going to avoid that. It also gets super close to your baseboards and everything within less than 1 centimeter to make sure everything gets really nice and clean without scuffing your baseboards or anything like that. It has AI dirt sense, so if there's a big mess, it acknowledges that, it cleans it up. It is pretty much maintenance free. It cleans its own mop pads. It actually empties out its own dust bag, and it has a dust bag life of 120 days, so you can go literally such a long time without having to empty out that dust bag. So it truly is maintenance free, and it's incredibly quiet. So even with a new baby in the house and the Narwal always running, because we have a new baby in the house, I never actually have to worry about it waking her up or waking the dog up, which I really appreciate. The Narwal Frio X Ultra is also on deal for Black Friday, and it's nearly 50% off. It offers a zero hair tangling brush. It has AI dirt sense. It has the auto washing and drying of the mop pads, and it is also extremely silent. The Narwal Frio X Ultra is actually a new model and has received great reviews since it's been launched. It is actually the lowest price in history, so this is the best time to get it. It's normally $13.99.99 and it is now $7.99.99. And their more budget-friendly option, the Narwal Frio, is also on deal for Black Friday. The Frio is now $900 off, making it only $4.99. It is an all-in-one station, so it has an automatic cleaning and drying of those mop pads, the automatic emptying emptying of the dust collector, and it's relatively maintenance free. It's great for everyday cleaning in your home. So you really can't go wrong with any of the Narwal products. If you want something more affordable, the Narwal Frio. If you want something in the middle tier, we have the Narwal Frio X Ultra. And then if you want that higher tier to really wow the person in your life or get it for yourself, you have the Narwal Frio Z Ultra. I'm obsessed with this vacuum cleaner. It has made being a new mom and just being someone who loves a beautiful home all the time so much easier, and I cannot recommend it enough. If you want to give any of the Narwhals a try this holiday season, just click the links down in my description box. And again, these Black Friday deals are like the best deals they've ever had, so definitely pick one up now if you want to do so. So of course, we're getting the Narwhal. We're making sure our homes are clean, or the homes are clean of whomever we are gifting to this holiday season. But another way to help with that is a pair of slippers. I love these slippers. This is my third pair. And I'm not even embarrassed. These are amazing. They're like a curly slipper. They actually have coordinating pillowcases, which I do own and love. They're very soft, but these are so cushiony and so soft. They're so comfortable. I've accidentally left the house in them sometimes. They have a really great sole, so you're not going to slip, and you can just throw them in the washing machine to keep them clean. I had the dark brown. They also come in pink. They come in a light brown, and now I have this gorgeous cream color. Another self-care item that comes to mind for me is this facial spray. So I found this just like scrolling on the internet randomly, as one does, and this is antimicrobial face cleanser, because I found I would like go to Pilates and my skin would be disgusting. I wouldn't have time to shower because I had work to do. This is great. It's antimicrobial, so you spray it on your face. You can do it after you exercise, after you this, after you eat, whatever. Whenever you can't wash your face but you want it to feel clean, you want to kill all of that bacteria, this is going to be the way to do so. It really just smells just like saline, so it's not an offensive scent. You just hold it a little bit away from your face, give it 2 squirts, and you are good to go. I'm keeping this on my nightstand right now. It's gonna get the job done. I really love it. Now, if you want to be luxurious, if you really want to spend some money on yourself, or just like a special lady in your life, maybe mom like has just been like amazing this year, get her the Dr. Dennis Gross face mask. So this was actually a gift I got last Christmas, and it is a red light mask. So I don't have it with me right now, but I'll show you in the B-roll. It does an anti-aging setting, it does an acne setting, and then it does a combination. Whenever I have a pimple, you can see this huge like narwhal horn on my forehead right now. I'm going to use that mask tonight and it's going to be gone the next day. Like, I guarantee it. It is so good, but it's also outlandishly expensive. So maybe you can get it with like Sephora points, or maybe you have some credit card points, or maybe you're gonna catch it on sale for Black Friday. I don't know, but it was a gift that my sister-in-law got me last year. And when she handed it to me, I actually cried and she was like, Kiva, please stop that. That's like very dramatic. But that's how I felt because this mask is so good. And okay, you wanna treat someone, but maybe not Dr. Dennis Gross level because that stuff is really freaking expensive. This is hands down gonna be a great gift. You can see I love them so much. This box is empty. These are Clean Skin Club towels. If you're someone who wears makeup every day and you felt like you're not quite getting your makeup off, even if you're using all the balms and this and that, this is gonna get it done. Whenever I'm having a breakout, I use this instead of my everyday towel. My face gets completely clean and I really get all of that dirt and debris off that I thought that I got off with my face wash that I didn't quite get. I have these on Subscribe and Save. This is going to be a fantastic gift. This is a gift because it's one of those things that you may not buy for yourself. It's an everyday luxury that you're like, oh, I'm not gonna splurge on this for myself, but for someone else, they're gonna be like, wow, this is amazing, thank you so much. And it's gonna really help elevate their skincare routine or their makeup routine or whatever it is they're doing. And these Clean Skin Club towels, there is one set that comes with like a little storage box. So if you don't wanna keep them in this box is fine for me, but if you don't wanna keep them in this box, if you don't wanna put them in a tissue box, it comes with a little bamboo box. You can put a little bow on that and say, hey, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever it is you celebrate, yay. Now let's move into the kitchen because kitchen gifts are amazing. I think everyone in the family should cook. So again, gifts for her, gifts for him, gifts for anybody. First up, we have this Drizzle extra virgin olive oil. So this stuff is stupid expensive for olive oil, but it is the best finishing oil ever. It is so tasty, it's so delicious. It's really gonna elevate a good tomato soup or any soup you're really making this holiday season. It's again, like the Clean Skin Club towel, something that you may not buy for yourself, but if someone else bought it for you, you'd be like, wow, this is the best gift ever. And another one of those kitchen items that is just going to elevate your everyday life is this set of 2 salt and pepper shakers. So it comes in so many different colors. I got it in the black, but there's a cream. Really, whatever your design style color is, they have one for you. I love Gravity salt and pepper shakers because I hate when they spill. I hate when they take up too much space. These are sleek. You can leave them out on the counter. And who doesn't like salt and pepper? I mean, this is guaranteed to be a slam dunk with pretty much everyone. And I know everyone and their mother goes on about the Ember mug, and that's like a really great gift, but it also is really, really expensive. And there's some like higher tier items that I talked about today that I think would just be like a better bang for your buck. So I would actually pick up this. This is just like a little hot plate mug heater. So this is great. You can put any ceramic mug on here and it will heat it, whether it's tea, whether it's coffee, whether you want to drink, heated up Kool-Aid. it's your life. It comes with this really nice cord, obviously, super easy. It just has one button, one temperature, and you're good to go. And it will let you know when it is hot so that you're not accidentally touching it and burning yourself. But this is around $20. Great gift, great stocking stuffer, and it's super duper useful for just about everybody. Another really, really fantastic gift you can get someone this holiday season is the Breville Barista Touch coffee machine. I used to be an avid Starbucks drinker. Like, I had a multiple $100 a month Starbucks affinity, and I don't go to Starbucks anymore, and I don't go to any coffee shop anymore because of the Breville Barista Touch. It is a higher ticket item, but I've already earned back the amount of money I was spending not only on espresso pods, but also on coffee with this coffee machine. It's incredible, it's intuitive, it makes every different type of coffee. You can have different settings for different people, and it tastes better than like any coffee shop I've ever been to in my entire life. Another great gift is Caraway cookware. I love Caraway cookware. We've talked about my stainless steel journey. We don't need to go through that again, so I wanted something clean and healthy, especially with all the new people in the home. So I actually have the cream version, super easy to clean. Like, these are so easy to clean, you could really just wipe them out with a paper towel. Like, I've never had to scrub one of these pans, and I think that's absolutely magnificent. And there's so many different tiers, so you can just get like a single pan, you can get a pan set, you can get, you know, some baking pans. They even have like storage containers, so they have everything. So you don't have to get like a massive, huge cookware set, which I know can be really, really expensive, but they're actually starting one of their biggest sales yet, like the biggest sale of the year right now. So if you wanted to get some Caraway for yourself or for someone special in your life, now is the time to do so. Now, if we're looking for some more affordable gifts, of course, you can always pick up a Stanley quencher. People love Stanleys. They're great. I love them. We're avid Stanley drinkers here. I'm going to show you a more affordable alternative in a second from Walmart, but I love a good Stanley. They have all the different colors on Amazon, but you can get them absolutely everywhere. They also have a ton of Dick's Sporting Goods if you have a Dick's nearby and you want a present kind of like that. But if you want to get like an all-in-one kind of Stanley gift, get a Stanley and then get one of these lids. So this is an anti-spill lid. You can see I can flip it over like this. It's not going to drip on me, so you can throw it in your purse, you can throw it in your briefcase, carry your water where you need to carry it without having to keep your Stanley upright. That was one of the downsides of the Stanley, but you don't have to worry about that with this lid, and you get a set of 2 for the price. Now, if you do not want to shell out that much money for a Stanley, I totally understand that. I respect it. Walmart actually has this brand called Time and Table, and they have these cute little pink cups with bows. They come in pink, they come in white, they come in black, and I think there's one other color. And these are also anti-leak, but they are a fraction of the price of the Stanley and the Stanley container. So if you have a Stanley Affinity, fine, get that. But if you want something more affordable, I don't think these are more than 20 bucks a piece. These are phenomenal. I love them. I have 2 of them, and so cute, and anyone is gonna love these. Any lady in your life is gonna love this. I mean, how could they not? They remind me so much of that Love Shack Fancy X Stanley collection, but not $1 million. And probably the very best gift for her, in my opinion, is a set of high quality sheets. These are feather and stitch sheets. They come in so many different colors. I prefer the stripe, but they come stripeless if you want. I got them in like this beige cream color this time, but they're deep pocket. I have the world's like thickest mattress. They never slip. They're so comfortable, and they get soft with every use. If you don't know what to buy someone, buy them a pair of sheets, because everyone uses sheets, and if they don't use sheets, you should reconsider your relationship with them, because these are absolutely incredible. Another bedding item that I think everyone is going to love is the slip pillowcase. Now, this is a huge splurge, but these are amazing. So if you have 4C hair like mine, and maybe you don't want to wear a bonnet, this is really great because your hair will kind of glide on it and it's not going to break off. If you just have hair in general and you want to make sure it's like not getting tangled, it's not getting stuck on your pillowcase, this is wonderful. This is also great for your skin if you kind of have troubled skin. And this is a set here. So this is the Rosemary gift set. It has a pillowcase, and then it also has a scrunchie. Obviously this gift is not for me, it's for babe, but this is what the interior looks like. So you have the pillowcase, you have the small scrunchie, and then you have the big scrunchie. These are really great pillowcases if that's something that you care about. Personally, I would probably buy a full sheet set, but if you care very deeply about your hair and your skin, this is almost always a slam dunk. Next, we have these pajamas from Walmart. So I'm gonna share a affordable and a more expensive pajama option, but these are the Joy Spun pajamas. I love these. I've been living in them recently. They're so comfortable, they're lightweight, they have lots of different fun patterns. I have a peach pattern, and then I have like a neon blue and green pattern. I have no idea what's on them. I think maybe there's grapes on them. I'm not sure, whatever. I love them, they're comfortable, they wash super well, and I love them almost as much as I love my Skims pajamas, but Skims pajamas make a really fantastic present. That's what I get for Christmas every single year. They are a pretty penny, but they're so comfortable. What I will say though is if you live in a warm climate, please please don't get these. Get the Walmart ones instead, because if it hits like 75 degrees in the house, you're gonna be pouring sweat in these, but they're really nice for lounging about. And I do find them to be incredibly comfortable. And they actually offer really great like matching sets for the family if you wanna do a fun family photo. Another great gift for her is this Neom skincare candle. I love this candle. It's a candle, obviously. You light it, it smells amazing. It smells like the most luxurious spa you've ever been to, but when you blow it out, you can actually use the oil to moisturize your skin. So some people have seen me pour this and been like, Kiva, what are you doing? What freaky thing are you into? Nothing. It just is a really good moisturizer as well. I love to use this after I get out of the bath. It is really, really relaxing and just, it smells amazing. I never smell better. This combined with that almond oil is just like the ultimate combination. Another great bath item though, that is going to be a slam dunk for absolutely everyone, even like the kids in your life, is this towel warmer. I've had it for like 2 years now. It has 4 different like time settings. So 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 60 minutes. I love using it for the baby when she's like taking a bath, nice and warm and snuggly. I love it for myself. It doesn't get the towels too hot. You can fit 2 bath sheets in there, 4 normal sized towels. You can also put slippers in there, things like that. It doesn't burn anything. It's really wonderful and it's like great for this season. And I have just 2 more gifts that you might want to pick up this Black Friday. First, we have this Laneige gift set. Again, this is $21 for all of the different like little Laneige lip masks. So who doesn't love a good lip mask? This helps someone figure out what they want and then they can go buy like the big version themselves. So definitely a more affordable gift, and it has all of the different ones. I am partial to the pink sleeping mask, but I'm sure they're all good. And last but certainly not least, this jewelry tray. Jewelry trays that make for such a great gift. You don't have to just use this for jewelry. You can use this on your coffee table, for your remotes, your decor, whatever. I love to use this for jewelry on my nightstand. I'll just put my rings on there in the middle of the night, any pills I have, something like that. It's a great little tray. It's chic. It looks just like the one from Anthropologie, but at a fraction of the price. But that's it for today's video. Those are the gifts for her. Really, any woman in your life is going to love these items. Really, any person in your life is going to love these products. These are amazing gifts. Anyone is going to be absolutely elated to receive them, and I tried to choose ones that are super helpful and super practical and don't just like look good. They actually serve a purpose. But again, these gifts could be great for absolutely anyone. And if you want to pick up the Narwal Frio, the Narwal Frio Z Ultra, the Narwal Frio X Ultra, click the link down in my description box. I have them all linked down there, and these are like the best deals ever this Black Friday sale, so definitely take advantage of them. And I'm going to tell you this right now, I know that they are a little bit more expensive, but these are so good. They have the KB stamp of approval so much that I would pay full price for them right now all over again. I sure would. But that's it for today's video. Again, if you want to shop anything, everything's linked down in the description box, and I will see you soon for more Black Friday deals, for some Cyber Monday deals, and the gift guide under 50. But until next time, have a beautiful day.